Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the essential identifiers, username, piece title, or the image file itself. Once done, open a browser and sign into Pixiv so you can access member-only pages. Make sure to enable a VPN if the site is region-locked. Next, prepare a reverse image search tool, either Google Images or TinEye, and keep the image file or screenshot at hand. These steps let you switch quickly between Pixiv pages and reverse search results without losing context. Now you actively search Pixiv and external resources to find the numeric ID. Start by entering the username or keywords into Pixiv's search and filter by illustrations. Open likely artworks and inspect the browser address bar. The number after Illust ID or the numeric path is the Pixiv ID. If you only have an image, upload it to Google Images or TinEye, then cross-match found titles or artist pages with Pixiv listings. Make sure to compare thumbnails and metadata to avoid false matches. Finish by confirming the ID and saving it for later use. Paste the numeric ID into the standard artwork URL pattern and load the page while signed in. Confirm the title, description, and artist match what you expect. If the page is unavailable, try a different browser, clear cache, or use a VPN set to a supported region. If results disagree, compare multiple reverse search outputs and inspect the artist's profile upload dates to ensure you've located the correct Pixiv ID.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.